Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Vishal Ahmed. In today's video I will show you how to perform an SMTP enumeration attack on a machine called Metasploitable, which is a vulnerable, using tools like Metasploit. This is the part of cybersecurity and ethical hacking learning. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Never try this on real systems without permission. This is our Kali machine up and running, and next we have the Metasploitable 2, which is also up and running with the IP address of 150.1.7.15. They both are connected. Let's check the connection. We will ping Metasploitable 2. Yes, it's up and running. Now we will scan the Metasploitable 2 with the Nmap tool. Let's wait for the results. So those guys who are following me and watching my videos, we already done these 3 ports. Now it is the time to exploit the port 25, which is using the service SMTP. So guys, what is SMTP? SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is the standard protocol used to send emails over the internet. So now we will open our MSF console. Let's wait for this to become available. Okay, so let's search for the SMTP Enum, SMTP first. We will see a lots of exploits, payloads. These are the bunch of exploits and payloads we can use. So I need the one which has the enum enumeration. So I will use the 41. Use 41. Now I need to check for the options, what options we have, what options we need to set to run this payload or exploit. So I need the R host. This one I need to set the R host, the target host IP. So I will set the R hosts. Sorry, not host, it's R host. R host 150.1.7.15. That's it. And now we will set the user file, not this one, because it will take a lot of time. So I have made this file which contains some known usernames, so I will use this file. So set, let me copy the location. Okay, nano, this is the location, so I will copy the location of this file and user file into this. Okay, it's all set now. Now we need to run our exploit to see what usernames are valid and which are correct. This module tries to verify each user from the list. If successful, you will see which accounts are valid. So users found, backup, bin, FTP, mail, MySQL, nobody, Postgres. So these are the results and the usernames found. We can verify these users. So we will use Telnet with the target IP 150.1.7.15 and with the port number which is 25. Now here we can verify these usernames. So I will go with the verify and type bin. It's successful. So the 220 actually means the server is ready to accept the SMTP commands. Verify bin VRFY. You are asking, does user bin exist? And 252.server is saying user likely exists, but I'm not giving full confirmation. Right? So in short, the user bin exists, but postfix is being cautious. and not fully verifying it, right? So now I will try to verify other user. Let's verify root. Yes, root is also exist. Now verify myself. No, user unknown in local recipient table. So that's it, guys. We have done the SMTP enumeration. So once attackers know which usernames are valid, they might brute force those passwords with the tools like Hydra, and we have bunch of many as well. They can craft phishing emails, and they can try privilege escalation on found accounts. So I will give you a tip. Always use strong authentication and disable the commands like vrfy and expn if not needed. Thank you guys, and that's it for today's tutorial.